Now, here are some things, again, hours a day I spend with AI that it doesn't do a good job at yet. And I still think there is a pretty long road ahead of us before it's good at these things. So, for example, building trust, reading a room, unspoken concerns, political dynamics, right? Because the people that are putting inputs into the chatbots and into the systems are often unaware, or that's not what they think the problem is, it often will recognize some things that you can get if you are in the room. Going from I understand to I believe, right? Capturing the HCP nonverbal and verbal complexities. Again, we're not seeing AI agents yet that have their cameras on, right? Like Claude and Doximity and like they're all coming out with these models designed for the medical community. They don't have the camera on, right? It's not one of the features where it could be reading your face and adjust based on what it thinks you're thinking. An important one is that it can't bear accountability and follow through. In fact, they all have a big disclaimer at the bottom that says that they don't, right? And then how to navigate institutional resistance and then be the person who shows up when things go wrong, right? Like, it doesn't do that. And so these are the things that are fundamentally human that are on that other extreme around belief and adoption. Yet we don't see belief and adoption written as the goal, as the thing that people are talking about when they stand on stage at national meetings, that they're training towards. We're hearing it as starting to be discussed, but it isn't the thing. We're still saying we're educating, we're making people aware, we're sending out emails about the new data that came out. And we need to fundamentally become more, as Linda was saying, more efficient at those things. We can use AI tools, but when we talk about the demand of where to spend our time so that there is a return, it's about how do we do these things.